Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you must-have upgrade on BMW M2 G87.
Hardwired.
So I recently upgraded my BMW M2 G87. In terms of visual looks, we'll go step by step and upgrade by upgrade. So we have different front grille, front mask, which is not from M2 CS, but it's a little bit upgraded. It's not carbon fiber, it's in gloss black. I went with this one because I feel like it's more sportier than regular stock version. We have wheel spacers, which you can see that car is a little bit wider than regular M2 CS or overall M2. I feel like this is must-have upgrade because it adds to this car a little bit more masculinity and the car is much wider. So these are 15 millimeters wheel spacers. We have front camber, so the camber has different setup. It should help with car drivability and car handling and everything. I need to test it out because I have this upgrade for, let's say, 1,000 kilometers, so I haven't been able to test it properly. So this is a huge visual look. So the car is lowered than original M2. It has sporty springs, so it's, I think, around 20 millimeters lower than usual M2, which from the factory I would say that's why I'm saying that these are must-have upgrade and they're really cheap from what you get from this upgrade. So the original M2 regular one, it's from factory pretty high off the ground. So these are huge visual changes and in terms of visual looks. Okay, so let's talk about engine and sound upgrades, exhaust upgrades. So we've upgraded mid-pipe, so we deleted OPFs and everything. In the back, it's still the regular M2 looks, so 4 pipes, not anything special, but in terms of how it sounds, it's completely different. So we have completely new mid-pipe without all OPFs and cats, and it's basically, that's why I'm saying that it's must-have upgrade because it's so cheap to do this. Just mid-pipe, it costs around 1,000 euros. And you can get completely different car for this, much more pops and bangs and everything. So it's really worth it to do this. So this is in terms of exhaust and sound, which completely transform your car and makes you feel much, I don't know, the experience is much better. So I would really recommend this. And then what is really necessary in my opinion is to upgrade software of this car. So from the factory it's really downgraded from BMW, so it has only 450 horsepower, but this engine, it's let's take a look maybe to this engine. So you cannot see any change on engine itself, so it's still the same engine as you have in M2, M3, M4s. This engine from the factory produces around 450 horsepower, and what they did with this upgrade, overall this package, is that they've upgraded the power to around 570 horsepower, which this engine is fully capable of doing without any internal change. So just software upgrade, which they did. They basically uploaded software from M2 CS, so the whole suspension, everything, brakes, traction control, engine setup is from much more expensive BMW M2 CS. So it's now running on around 570 horsepower at this moment. So it is completely different car to a stock version. The whole upgrade was about 4,500 euros. So overall, What I paid for this, all of this, camber, wheel spacers, engine upgrade, exhaust, mid-pipe, was with, of course, the work on this and everything, it was around 4,500 euros. So you have for 4,000 or 5,000 euros, completely different car, much better looking, lowered, with better exhaust, better sound, and with more power. So you have completely different car. Brakes are amazing. So if you're a car guy, I know what you're waiting for the sound check. So let's listen to this mid-pipe and new exhaust. So we'll start with most silent mode or most easiest one. So let's do. Okay, so this is regular mode for your neighbors. So you don't really want to start this car or cold start this car on the most loudest mode. So this is regular mode, which is basically nothing. This is medium one, so you have valves on, which is a little bit louder. And this is full nuts, so pops, bangs, crackles. So yeah, completely different car, completely different exhaust, and completely different experience and feeling from this upgrade. So this is it for now. It's much more coming. I want to upgrade this car even more, but this is it for now. I need to get used to this power, this exhaust, and yeah, so if you like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.